I like to be a peeping Tom if I can. I'll watch your whole family eat dinner.
No, you get out.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to call.
I like to leave my heart out on my sleeve.
You roll it down. Just like me. Just like this beer is rolling down.
Are you okay, baby?
Goyang kaki. Lepas tu ada anak lempar dekat aku. Macam aku ni kuli batak, tahu tak? Dah lah anak perangai macam beruk.
Get down. He sees a bug. Is that really necessary, BG?
Lower. Lower.
I can't go any lower. I won't be able to lift myself back up. My gosh, I'm fat, you psychopath.
Stop it. Stop. Stop, okay? Stop eating Peter. Stop eating Peter the spider plant, okay? Stop eating him. I know you're...
They're eating the dogs, the people that came in. They're eating the cats. They're eating the pets.
Kevin, what are you doing?
Mama told me not to, I did it anyway, misbehaving. Daddy said don't, but I said it anyway.
Now you think you can make more room? You're too big climbing there. Apparently not.
You need to look at her respectfully. Not with you.
Melon'da bir garip huyu var. Melon, anne.
You need this piece here. Any luck?
Show me your bad cat. I don't want to see any of these good kitties making muffins and purring. Show me that bad cat.
Pia. What the heck?
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water slide. Smooth.
I can't even take one of them outside without Miss Jealous over here. She can't stand it. Don't be scared of it, Hope. You're seeing your own reflection. Oh my god.
They're eating the dogs, the people that came in. They're eating the cats. They're eating the pets of the people that live there. And this is what's happening in our country.
He's a 10, but his brain is made of shrimp.
You're a little baby.
No fucking way, look what I just caught on camera! Yes, Tommy! Oh, no, you're doing fantastic, but... Oh.
You won't. You don't see him yet. And then you do.
Do you know you have 30 minutes? 30 minutes. 30, yes.
Such a good, friendly boy. Oh, so friendly and not intimidating at all. Oh, what a friendly boy.
So if he tells you anything fucking different, he's a liar and a fucking snake. Fuck you.
The last resort, the couples tell all. Gino, how are things between...
Teaching my cat tricks. Ignore my hand. Smart boy.
In today's episode of I Bought a Toy for the Cats and Lewis just commandeered it, Draper...
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the... is it? I swear to God. You laughing, girl? You trying to laugh? This funny? Let me show you some fucking...
Go on. Oh my god, he's getting you.
Francine!
Vamos, culera, vamos. Vamos, te quedes bien verga, culera.
No me
Pinche
creo,
perra.
soy verga.
A mí no me estás quebrando el palo, mierda. A mí no me estás cagando el palo. ¿A poco crees que no te puedo...?
Mira, mira, mira. No!
Have one. You can have one bite. Sit. Oh my god. It's pistachio.
You push the door like that. No, don't put your... Just push the door. Just push the door, honey. Just push the door.
This is what wakes me up at 5:30 a.m.
เป็นที่ไหนพี่มันพังตรงไหนพี่ลองดูให้หน่อยพี่
Oh. Well, you did it.
Biggie. Oh.
Oh no, imposible, o sea, me tienta mucho, pero ha sido sola, estaba con una fiebre y no puede ni mover el sillón.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water.
I just have a feeling this is gonna. Yep, that's why I was.
My baby. My baby. And my baby.
Oh, that's a good kitty, I say as I pet on Kitty. No, I'm evil Kitty, said evil Kitty.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
No! Prince, are you okay?
¡Suéltame, hijos de la chingada! ¡Suéltame, hijos de la chingada!
¿Alguna vez te has preguntado cómo afectan a nuestras mascotas el uso constante de collares con cascabel? Mientras que los collares con cascabel pueden ser...
I know you're on the job, but there's no law against a home-cooked meal. Got lots of hot dogs.
Good morning!
Like, how am I supposed to move, though? My arm is falling asleep. What the fuck?
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we can get it. Bruno, you want to try a banana? Banana?
Don't. I said don't. Ow! Ow! Don't.
Can't lay like that. Get burnt.
Abuelito, no.
Angel, what are you doing? You gonna come see me? Or are you just gonna sit there?
Se cayó.
Oh, that's a good kitty, I say as I pet on Kitty. No, I'm evil Kitty, said evil Kitty.
really sitting in my fucking car trying to understand, like, what the fuck is going on? Like, you really got your stupid ass up there like that?
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Brother, help me!
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God. You laughing, girl? You trying to laugh? This.
What? Milo! You can't sit on him, you're fat!
Maddie.
Why can't you be that calm and nice? Ooh, okay. Is that so?
That's not good. Don't do it.
Don't
do it.
Don't
do it.
Don't do it.
Oh my God, he did it!
Yes. You in the back? Yeah, with your hand up. You have a question? Over here. Yes, do you have a question?
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God! What is that?
I'm sorry.
Hey, Ethel. How do you pronounce this? Oh.
Be nice.
Bruh. You're gonna fall if you pry this off, Saffron. That is the suction cup that keeps you in that bed, floating. Yep.